Intermittent fasting, IF, is currently one of the world's most popular health and fitness trends. People are using it to lose weight, improve their health, and simplify their lifestyles. Many studies show that it can have a powerful effect on your body and brain, and may even help you live longer. Intermittent fasting, IF, is not a diet, it's a pattern of eating. It's a way of scheduling your meals so you get the most out of them. Intermittent fasting does not change what you eat, it changes when you eat. Intermittent fasting, IF, people sometimes call the 16-8 diet or the 16-8 plan. People who follow this eating plan will fast for 16 hours a day and consume all of their calories during the remaining 8 hours. 16-8 intermittent fasting is a form of time-restricted fasting. It involves consuming food during an 8-hour window and avoiding food or fasting for the remaining 16 hours each day. Science says that every time you eat high-energy foods, insulin in your body spikes. Whenever there's an insulin spike, fat is stored in the body. Here the question arises, why is it worthwhile to change when you're eating? The increased insulin released causes more fat to be stored in your body. Your body only needs so much insulin to do its daily functions. An increase of insulin is necessary when participating in more vigorous activities, such as a marathon, intense weightlifting sessions, or swimming long distances. The extra insulin will be stored in your gut, thighs, back, hips, or chest as fat. To reduce your body fat and to have the body that you desire, you should reduce or eliminate your daily insulin spikes. When the number of times you eat per day is reduced, you also decrease the number of insulin spikes. Therefore, intermittent fasting is a great way to get lean without going on a crazy diet or cutting your calories down to nothing. In fact, most of the time you'll try to keep your calories the same when you start intermittent fasting. Most people eat bigger meals during a shorter period. Additionally, intermittent fasting is a good way to keep muscle mass on while getting lean. With all that said, the main reason people try intermittent fasting is to lose fat. Perhaps most importantly, intermittent fasting is one of the simplest strategies for taking bad weight off while keeping good weight on, because it requires very little behavior change. This is a very good thing, because it means intermittent fasting falls into the category of simple enough that you'll actually do it, but meaningful enough that it'll actually make a difference. Furthermore, fat loss is not the only benefit of fasting. Intermittent fasting also makes your day simpler, helps you live longer, and may reduce the risk of cancer. Furthermore, intermittent fasting is much easier than dieting. Success is the sum of small efforts, repeated day in and day out.